process, you could say, this is how I would think the process would go. We would, you could, first thing, you die cut a thin blank. Okay, so die cutting a blank is basically die it like using like a pizza cutter to cut the V shape of a door, and then you could then place blank into press, and then the press consists of two pieces, and then so you might as well say that, okay, and there's two pieces, a male and female piece, so I would say male and female, so that's you could think of that as top and bottom, male and female parts of the press close on blank. So the male and female parts now close on that blank. And then onto that you say, you can say pressure, because they then start to apply as pressure. Pressure applied to mould. Oh, you can say mould, or I would say, let's say mould. Okay, so there's a pressure applied that forces them down, and then the final thing that happens, blank. You can say blank deforms to match the mould. That would work. So it deforms to make it match. And then lastly, you could eject that. Okay, so you could then finished door ejected. So it just pops out of the machine. And that would be a way we could simply describe what's happening. So identifying the material, then we identify the process, and we think, how do you actually do that? And even though we're saying things like place it into the press, sometimes that is quite useful. Imagine we're talking about vacuum forming, quite useful to say what's happening. Okay, so it's worth saying that. It's also worth saying ejecting it, like, if it's injection moulding at the end of the process is ejected from the mould. So it is always worth including that as well. Okay, I haven't used any pictures. I could have used pictures, but it didn't ask me for pictures. I think it might have been easier for pictures, but it hasn't asked for them. Normally, if it says, if there was a question that was asking about using notes and diagrams, you obviously want to use both. Okay, but I've just stuck with notes this time because that's what the question's asked.